पंखे की आवाज़ है. Now I am going to deliver a numerical on psychrometry. On a particular day, the weather forecast states that the dry bulb temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, while the relative humidity is 50% and the barometric pressure is 101.325 kilopascal. Find the humidity ratio, dew point temperature and enthalpy of moist air on this day. So now I am going to solve the numerical. At 37 degrees centigrade, the saturation pressure psi of water vapor is obtained from the steam table, and that is 6.2795 kilopascal. Since the relative humidity is 50%, the vapor pressure of the water in air, that is PV, water vapor pressure is always shown by PV, is equal to P.5 ps, that is 0.5 into 6.2795 is equal to 3.1397. PV then equal to 0.5 ps, that is 0.5 into 6.2796 is equal to 3.13975 kilopascal. Now the humidity ratio W is given by, that is the standard formula. The humidity ratio W is given by W is equal to 0.622 into PV divided by PS minus PV, that is equal to 0.622 into 3.13975 divided by 101.325 minus 3.13975. On calculation, that value comes 0.01980 kg per kg of dry air, kg of water per kg of dry air. That is the answer. Okay. So the first part was that find out the humidity ratio. So we have find out the humidity ratio. Now the second part was dew point temperature and enthalpy of moist air on this day. So after finding out the enthalpy, the next part is after finding out the humidity ratio, the next part is enthalpy of air. H is given by the equation H is equal to 1.005 T minus W into 2501 minus 1.88 T, that is equivalent to 1.005 into 37 plus 0.01989 ब्रैकेट में 2501 plus 1.88 into 37, and that comes out to be 88.31 kilojoule per kg of dry air. Okay, that is the enthalpy. Then these two things were to be find out, and the third part was dew point temperature, also DPT. So DPT is very simple. We can directly get it from the steam table. At the particular pressure. So pressure is given 3.1397, and corresponding to that from the steam table we can find out the saturation temperature. That will give you the wet bulb temperature. So all the three things, that first part was your humidity ratio, second part dew point temperature, and third point was enthalpy of the moist air on this day. All the three things have been calculated. Okay.